Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. All right guys, as if you can't tell by the title of the video, today is I tried the 14-day challenge from the YouTube exercise gurus Mr. and Mrs. Muscle. It was a 14-day fat loss challenge, and I'm gonna put a disclaimer out there. Obviously, unless you're following the actual regimen nutrition wise and exercise wise, you're not gonna see like huge difference. Well, at least I didn't see huge difference, but let's be real, girl, I did see some changes. Okay, so I'll show you guys some footage of a few of the days that I worked out, and I have my little notes here, so I'm just gonna get to it, keep it simple, keep it quick, but I highly recommend this video series. It's 14 videos. The best way to get the most results is to do it 14 days straight or take 1 or 2 days off. I did take 1 day off, and I can't remember which day it was in between, but I think it was for sure after day 6 or 7. I'm definitely gonna say day 5 and 6 were probably around the hardest days, just exercise wise, because I was a little sore, and I feel like the cardio days always kick my butt. So cardio days were always harder, like full body and ab days were always the hardest to me. I liked how they split it out. It is day 4. Oh wait, correction, it's day 5. I haven't really been recording me doing the workouts, so I said I'm gonna start doing that for the rest of the days. First day I was fine, second day sore, third day sore, yesterday sore, today super sore. I think it's progressively getting harder, but I'm on day 5, so let's get into it. All right guys, workout day 5 done. Per my watch, I burned 160 calories, average heart rate 131 beats per minute. Oops, sorry, not the best angle, too much cleavy. All right, well, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Abs were always pretty much included. Like there was always an activity that really worked your abs, but it wasn't just always basic crunches. It was full body, or it was kind of like, you know, it would be a squat with like a twist or something, so you could really engage that core, the internal core. Loved that. And you can also modify these, because the first day I was like, this is kind of easy, I'm not really sweating, but then by the end I was sweating. So what you also can do is, like, if it's just a step out activity, if you really want to step it up, if you're intermediate or advanced, I would say maybe like jump out to add a little extra cardio to it. But if you have knee problems, girl, you can also add weights if you want to, but I feel like these videos are definitely for all levels of activity, and you can, you know, increase or decrease based on where you are. And I liked that I had something to look forward to every day versus having to figure out, okay, well, what exercise am I gonna do today? I just went straight to the playlist and I watched the video and I did it. It is 4 rounds of various exercises. You'll go, I think, between 30 to 45 seconds on, if I'm not mistaken, and then you'll take like a minute on, a few seconds off, minute on, 30 seconds off, something similar to that. I like how it shows you previews of the exercises before you do them. I'm gonna show you here the before. Be warned, girls, sometimes that back fat just loves to pop out. Okay, so here is me before doing a 360 twirl on them for you, and then once I go through and show you some of the footage and do my final thoughts, I'll do a side-by-side of the final results from day 14. All right guys, it is day 7, halfway down, or halfway mark I should say. All right, let's get it. Whew. All right, day 7 done. I have to say, I think day 4 and 5 I think were like the hardest so far. Today was good. Whew, yeah, feeling good. 7 more days left. Let's get it. Day 14. Whew, we made it. It was tough and I wanted to give up, but I made it. So I have to say, all in all, I absolutely loved this challenge. Again, I will leave the playlist link to their channel, Mr. and Mrs. Muscle, in the description box or in the description area. And let's look at these side-by-side results. I have to say that those oblique lines really were coming through, sis. I did notice, I didn't really monitor my weight and I didn't have a scale at the time that tracked my fat loss or fat in general. I do now, so I'll tell you guys about that later in another video. But all in all, I would say I absolutely and highly recommend this video series and challenge for all levels of activity. You know, push yourself even on days when you don't want to do it, girl. And here are the side-by-sides of the before and after, and I can see there's small changes, at least I'm able to see them, where you can see kind of where my obliques are kind of showing, you know, on the sides, or not showing, but they're a little more prominent, like the side area, you know, where the ab line starts to really poke through. So I have to say, all in all, I absolutely love this challenge. I feel like the results speak for themselves. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a comment below and let me know if you guys have ever watched any of Mr. and Mrs. Muscle videos. If not, go check them out, girl. Tell them I sent you. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.